How to use Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, Instagram is a social media application that is available in your Play Store or your App Store. Simply launch your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Instagram. This is the one that you would be looking for. Simply install the application. Once it is installed, you will need to create an account in order to use it. Now, I already have an account, but I will still show you how to create a new account if you are new. Simply tap on create new account. Then, if you want to create an account with your phone number, enter your phone number here. But if you want to sign up using your email address, select email address. Now, select your email address, tap on the next button, create a password, tap on next. Now, tap on save. Set your birthday from here. There is a certain age criteria that you will need to satisfy for using Instagram. Now enter your full name, tap on next, create a username. You can create a custom username and as well as use the one that was suggested to you. Tap on next and then you will be done. Your account will be created. All you have to do is follow your friends, send them follow requests, and once they accept your follow request and follow you back, you can share post, you can create post, share your photos via story and post, and also reels, and you can also text using direct message feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.